Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Beko condenser dryer. It's a model DRCS68W. It's had this fault where it wasn't working, and I traced it back to the mains suppressor, the radio interference suppressor in the machine. So to get in there to do that, you've got to take 3 screws out of the back. Let's go around and do that. So let's take these screws out. Then the top pulls back and just lifts off. It's held on with these keyholes, so you just have to slide it back and then get the nub out through the keyhole. So the suppressor's in here at the back. You've got to unclip all the wires, remembering which way they're going to go to put them back on again. Mine have already been disconnected because I've been running it without the suppressor for a while, which isn't advised, but it doesn't really make any difference. And then there's 2 screws here and here on the back we have to take out.
Go and take it out.
I'm going to take them out, yeah.
Okay.
So 2 screws, they're very short. Then the old suppressor slides upwards. You see it just has these clips, that's the new one, that clip in. So let's put the new one in. It is as simple as that. You just put it in where the clips can fit and slide it downwards. So you snap the new one in, and then the screw holes should line up. So you screw it back in again. So then, this is how it looks. The earth went up on top, on the top wings. And that just earths everything in there, the machine, the outside metal box and all of it. So I think the cables are only long enough to go in one particular direction. In this case, the live can only go on this side because of the length of the cables. Likewise, the neutrals can only go on the other side. And that's it. There's a look inside the old one. The inners had come out like a big long ribbon. I'll post a photo or a little bit of video of that now. So this thing, the capacitor that's within that filter, has shot out, like shot with some force to be able to unravel itself. So I don't know what caused the old one to fail, but the new one's back in now. So to get it back together, we've got to put the top back on. So you offer it up, set back a little from the front, and then slide it forward to snap it in. 3 screws in the back again. I'll spare you that, but they came out from where they went in. Or they go in where they came out from, one or the other. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, or if you might know why a main suppressor would fail, I'd be interested to know. Leave a comment, say hi, anything you want. It's a Beko DRCS68W. That's all there is to it. Simple job, main suppressors. Thanks for watching. See you later.